This is Civic Outlet Shopping Center in Innovation City. There are some interesting things that I didn't know about. And it's lift tour time. Now to the first lift, which is a vintage station crab to go down to the level -1.
Floor -1.
Well, it is a very cheap boy. Now to the next lift, which is a very cheap ThyssenKrupp lift. That is a very cheap 80s ThyssenKrupp lift. By the way, these lifts have the Sally Boys from Go Animate. Oh, wow! That is an interesting voice that I want to know about this time. So, let's ride it!
Lift going down. Parking -2. Lift going up. First floor. Lift going down.
And now into a building that I do not know about, and there is another IT ThyssenKrupp. Let's ride it. I hope this live as the Sally Boys.
Upper shopping level. Lift going down.
Oh yes, and these are the Sally Boys. I am now in the upper shopping level. This building is an internal shopping center that I did not know about. This is a very awesome building that created by Mad Entity. But anyways, let's get back down to the lower shopping level.
Entrance level. Lift going up.
And now there's a door that I did not know about. So there it is. There it goes for that building right now. Anyways, and now to the next building, which used to be a very kind of office building. Anyways, let's go here on. Where is a vintage ThyssenKrupp lift? Let's ride it! And it says to parking level -3. As you may see the buttons, I want to get to see what's there. Let's get beer down.
Parking level -3.
Oh, there is another car park. This is it. This is the only car park that says vintage the other. So let's go in up to one. This is very cheap.
First floor.
The next lives a serve 3 vintage decent crab lifts to go up to the offices. So, anyways, let's ride them. Oh, are you back?
No, el barniz era carísimo. Voy a esperarme a buscar en otro chino. No, que te compraba, si te gustaba.
What? Look at what my mom bought me. I got very cheap metallic felted pens. Very cheap. And there's a door that I don't know about. And let's go in on. And there was an empty offices. In real life there used to be real offices. Anyways, in the next door there is also nothing. In the next doors I do not know what's there. In this one, nothing. Is this some kind of joke? In none of these photos and nothing. Even there used to be a service live in this building. Ah. And here's the side. Anyways, let's go back down. Even guys. In this building, I do not find the service lift.
First floor, lobby.
In the next building, there are only lifts for car parks. Let's see first what's behind these doors. Behind these doors, I found a service lift. Let's ride it. And there's another vintage decent grab. Yeah, it does not have a voice. Very faulty. As I didn't know about this. And now to remain lifts.
Parking -2. Floor -1.
And now to this zone. Oh, here is a bottom of shaft. But I found another decent crab. Let's drive it.
Lift going down.
Oh, and that's the Sally voice again. Oh well, that used to be a very cheap, interesting voice.
Parking -2. Lift going up. First floor, lobby. Lift going down.
In the building of that lift, I found more decent crab lifts up to some offices. So let's ride the lifts.
Fifth floor.
No! They don't have this.
Lift going down.
No! They don't have the Sally boys. This is so weird. How did I even manage to find these decent crab lifts, even when they do not have the Sally boys? This is so weird. Oh, I wanted these lifts with Sally boys. Oh, this is so weird.
First floor, lobby.
So I just take a screenshot.
Lift going up.
Oh, that voice is kind of annoying. And now, back into the shopping center. Oh. Crap, I was stuck. Anyways, back into the shopping center and into the next building, which this lift is a crappy generic. Oh! I don't know what he was even interested to write a crap generic. Oh!